What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Blind Power. So today I'm gonna be brushing a horse. So let's get started.
You go downwards from the top to the
I'm
bottom.
using a pattern so that I don't lose track of where I'm at. That way there's no missed spots.
And you get the horse totally clean. You get all the dust off the horse. So when you saddle him up, it doesn't bother his back. Okay? From the top to the bottom. Up to down. That's the perfect way to do it. Now the hair, the cream, you just brush it the same way. From the top to the bottom. And Christian is doing awesome here. Right, Christian?
Yep. This is great. Still keeping the pattern, that way we don't lose track. So today I am going to show you how a blind person trains their horse. And I have to have this whip behind the back of the horse. You don't have to hit him or anything, but I have to keep it behind his back and have to follow. He's going to be following my tempo. So I'm walking right now, I'm like jogging, and he's going at the same, a little bit faster, and I have to do it behind his back. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna wash the horse. We're gonna clean him and make sure he looks nice and shiny. Now, there's a rule of thumb when you're washing horses. First you do the legs, and then you do the head last. And the body, well, you could do a pattern so that way the fur gets nice and soft. And let's do this. So now I'm going to go to the back, and I want to make sure I get the top of his back as well. You do have to be careful with the ears though. So now I'm going to go to the other side. I'm gonna get the top.
You can walk on this side too. Keep walking on this side, yeah. Just
You're gonna finish him off on this side. And I have to be very careful because you don't want it to hit the ears. And that's how you wash a horse. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe. This is a special video thanking all of you who have been supporting Blind Power since day one. Thank you. I appreciate your support, and stay tuned for more content.